Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss example for vector. A plane and a line have the equation r dot n is equals to 2 and the equation of line where we have r is equals to a plus td respectively. Shows that the position vector of the points of intersection between the plane and the line is given by, where we have the situation. Hence, find the points of intersection between the plane where we have the position vector 2, 1, 3 is equals to 2 and the line where we have r with the position vector negative 1, 2 and 1 plus with t with the vector 1, 2 and 3. So given the situation, r dot n is equals to 2 and the line equation r is equals to a plus td. So now stated r is equals to a plus td. Kindly substitute the situation. A plus td dot with the n is equals to 2. So if we dot the situation, so means that we have a dot n plus where we have t multiply with d dot n is equals to 2. So rearrange the situation and kindly express t as a subject. So where we have 2 minus a dot n over d dot n is equals to t. So kindly substitute the r is equals to a plus td. Kindly substitute this situation into this part. So where we will have r is equals to a plus t, where we have 2 minus a dot n over d dot n. Multiply with d. So kindly refers to the situation where we already shown. Hence, find the points of intersection between the plane where we have r dot n. So the n is 2, 1 and 3. And the line where we have the a is equals to negative 1, 2 and 1. And the d where we have 1, 2 and 3. So here we have x, y and z is equals to a where we have negative 1, 2, 1 plus we have a bracket 2 minus a dot n where we have negative 1, 2 and 1 dot with the n where we have 2, 1 and 3 over d dot n. So where we have d 1, 2 and 3 dot with the n where we have 2, 1 and 3 multiply with the d where we have 1, 2 and 3. So kindly focus on this part. X, y and z is equals to negative 1, 2 and 1 plus bracket 2 minus dot the situation. So we will have negative 2 plus with the 2 plus with the 3 over dot this part where we have 2 plus with the 2 plus with the 9 multiply with 1, 2 and 3. So simplify the situation where we have x, y and z is equals to negative 1, 2 and 1 plus bracket. So kindly focus on this part where we have 0 plus with the 3. So 2 minus 3 where we have negative 1 over 4 plus with the 9. So we will have 13 multiply with 1, 2 and 3. So finally we have the situation x is equals to negative 1 minus with 1 over 13. Next y where we have 2 minus 2 over 13. Z where we have 1 minus 3 over 13. So finally, x is equals to negative 14 over 13, y is equals to 24 over 13, and z is equals to 10 over 13. So the question said points of intersection. So where we have negative 14 over 13, 24 over 13, and then 10 over 13. So next, given the point P, Q, and R by using the scalar product of a vector to prove the situation. So scalar product where we have A dot B is equals to magnitude A multiply with the magnitude B cos theta. So what we have to do is to find the situation where we have cos with the angle PQR. So the starting point will be the Q. So QP where we have OP minus OQ. So kindly substitute the value where we have 1, 2, 3 minus the Q, 2, negative 1 and 1. So the vector for the QP is equals to negative 1, 3 and 2. Next, focus on the second part where we have QR. So OR minus OQ. The OR is negative 1, negative 3 and 2 minus the OQ where we have 2, negative 1 and 1. So the vector for QR is equals to negative 3, negative 2 and 1. So kindly substitute into the formula where we have negative 1, 3 and 2 dot with negative 3, negative 2, 1 equals to magnitude for QP where we have 1 plus with the 9 plus with the 4 multiply with the magnitude of QR where we have 9 plus 4 plus 1 cos theta. Focus on the left hand side where we have to dot the situation. So 3 minus 6 plus with the 2 is equals to square root of 14 multiply with the square root of 14 cos theta. So 3 minus 6 plus with the 2, so where we have negative 1 over square root of 14 multiply with the square root of 14 where we will have 14 is equals to cos with the angle for PQR. So rewrite the situation. So cos for the angle PQR is equals to negative 1 over 14. And we already shown the situation. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.